Here's my latest addition to the Fireblade. It's a factory Ohlins shock absorber. Thought I'd do a very quick video of it because these are getting increasingly rare. I've got an Ohlins spring which is going to get changed to a titanium one. You see it's got adjusters at the bottom. If I switch it around, there's the adjusters, just like Ohlins as well. This has actually been used in TT itself, so it's quite a well used item. Some obvious things that are missing on it is that it's got a Showa here, but on the other side it's missing. So from what I can tell, there should be another decal there as well. It was recently serviced just before I bought it, so shouldn't really need too much work. Just replace the spring. This adjuster here is designed to screw onto the HRC kit swing arm, subframe I should say, which I've done another video on. Thank you for watching.